Today I'll be showing how to make this delicious pepper Kpomo. This recipe is very easy to make, so let's get cooking. These are the ingredients that will be needed for this recipe. Diced onions, well washed Kpomo. I have peppers, I have bell pepper and scotch bonnet pepper to give it a little bit of hot spice. I have my salt and seasoning cube, some crushed garlic and vegetable oil. I'll go ahead to grate my pepper into this fine texture. So now let's go ahead to start cooking. Pour the kpomo into a pot, add onions, add salt to taste, add enough water to cook. Cover this up and cook for 5 minutes. After cooking the kpomo for 5 minutes, take the kpomo out of the water and set this aside. Now to make the sauce, set a pan on fire, add your vegetable oil or any oil of your choice. When the oil gets hot, add in your diced onions. Stir fry the onions for 1 to 2 minutes. Then go ahead to add in the crushed garlic. Keep stir frying this for 1 more minute. This is just to allow the burst of flavor to enter into your vegetable oil. Now it's time to add our grated peppers. After adding the pepper, give this a good stir for a minute. Add little water into the pepper so this can cook well. Allow this to cook and fry for few minutes. I don't want the sauce to be running, that's why I'm not adding too much water. That's why the sauce is dried like this. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead to add my beef seasoning cube. Add little water, stir this together and allow it to cook. Now it's time to add salt to taste. Remember, don't add too much salt because we already added salt to the kpomo we boiled earlier. Keep stirring your sauce so it doesn't get burnt. You don't want that burnt flavor in your peppered kpomo. After cooking this for a total of 10 minutes, you can see the oil is starting to separate from the peppers. That means the sauce is ready. Now it's time to add in the kpomo. After adding the kpomo, take your time to stir this together so that the kpomo can be well coated in the sauce. After making sure the kpomo is well coated in the sauce, leave this to sit on low heat for 3 minutes. At this point, peppered kpomo is ready, very delicious and very tasty. I hope you try this. What will you be having this with? Because I'll be pairing this with a chilled bottle of malt. Let me know if you found this recipe helpful in the comment section. Give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, stay safe. Bye.